Hello everyone, welcome back to Savistar channel. My name is Sheikh Nur Basha. In this video, how to install handle guards in Pulsar bike easily, installation with any bikes easily. Guys, see this KTM type is handle guards, always all universal bikes installation. Guys, look at this bike installation. These bikes do only KTM type in handle guards, any universal types of airy bikes. Guys, side handles. This is my shop 7-star LED. Always is accessories available my shop. In purchase that my shop. Let's start at the handle weight Pulsar 125 in installation process. I will use the Linky 5 number using that bolt. I will remove that handle weight. I will do it attach it in the washer and bolt in installation easy process. That this is not attached, that item is unsupported, that is remove and installation handle weight only plastic body. This says this and two screws that remove automatically and remove that product. I will use them and small washer and small bolt that is not touching the accelerator rubber and easily accelerator movement in my bike processing. There is see this and gap in 2 mm that accelerator and handle guards and to in that not attach that. I will use that.